How to use swapping orb in Archero 2. Now, swapping orb is actually an item used in the blacksmith to exchange one S tier gear piece for another within the same set. So it can be in a Oracle boots for Oracle bracers. It is actually not from different sets like Oracle for Griffin, but you need to unlock swapping feature by creating one or crafting one mythic rad quality gear piece. After each, you'll receive 10 free swapping herbs, and then the cost varies with swapping an epic S tier piece costing 10 herbs and swapping an item into weapon costing double that amount. Now, for you to be able to see that, all you have to do is to go into the gear item, go into blacksmith, and at the lower right portion of your screen, you should see advanced work. In here, these are all the equipments that you can swap out for you to be able to use a swapping herb. And that's it. Just how to use swapping herb in Archero tool.